Hey creators, welcome back to my channel. My name is Akira, if you didn't already know, and you are tuned in to Create with Akira. So today I risked my dollars and I bought a wig off Temu based on the reviews that were there. So we're just gonna see. We're gonna see it. We're gonna make her pretty if she isn't pretty. Here's what we're supposed to be getting. Let's see what we have. Came in another package. Oh my gosh, I'm ripping over package after package. It's kind of nerve-wracking. This pink packaging is cute. Okay. Okay, she comes with wig caps and some lashes. These lashes are kind of cute. Those are cute. So I got a 13 by 4 inch loose frontal, and she's supposed to be human. All the comments are saying she's human. Hold on. Okay. She comes with a band on the inside. Oh, I'm here for her. Ooh, this feels nice. This feels nice. I'm here for her. I'm absolutely here for her. Here's the inside cap construction looks like. I'm very excited to put her on my head. I'm gonna put her on my head as a side part. This hair feels really nice. This hair feels really nice. I'm combing up the curls. It's fine. It's fine. I'm gonna put her on my head without doing anything to her, just to see how she looks, and then I'm going to wash and pluck and install. Okay, so let me just be back when I'm braided down and just can throw her on my head. So go ahead, and I already tightened her to where I think she needs to be. Oh yeah, maybe tightened her a little too tight. I like this. No, the color, she's a little orange. She's not shedding horribly, honestly. It's not horrible on the shedding. I'm about to wash her anyways because I despise wearing hair just straight up the pack. It itches my scalp. It bothers me a bit. She feels nice. She's gonna be a side part. And I'm gonna have to braid the back down more. I am locking my hair, so the braid down is a little questionable, but I'm here for her. She looks nice. She looks like she doesn't need too much plucking, honestly. Honestly, she does not. But I'm gonna go ahead and wash her and then bring you with me on the install. Just popping in before I put her under the dryer. This is how she looks freshly washed. It did take some of the harsh orange out, which I'm actually here for, honestly. She's so pretty. I'm just gonna put it under the dryer so it can dry a little bit, just so it's easier to style her. Do I want a right part? Oh, regardless, whatever side I put my part on, I'm gonna be cute. So here I am with my very questionable braid down. I'm just slicking my edges back because, as my mother always says, protect your piece and your edges at all costs, okay? Now I left this part in because mistakes are very much human. Here you see me doing a bunch of work basically for no reason. Very sad. So I doubled my wig caps to help give scalp. You see me doing the whole 9 yards here. I'm cutting the ears out so I cannot hurt myself, tucking the bobby pins in because they were stabbing my head and I didn't want them to stab my lace, cutting eye holes out so we can see what we're doing, the basic bald cap method that we all know. I used got to be glue, gel, and even spray to lock this in, all basically for my wig cap to say absolutely not. As you see here, I was trying to fix her and she just came off. I was left with one. After situating that, I put the wig on my head and then shortly realized that I need to put makeup in my part. And now that I have the wig on my head, I just went ahead and did the same evens and got to be gel to seal her in because I couldn't find my glue at this point. Because I also couldn't find my wig band at the recording of this video, I just tied it up with a scarf and then I sat under the dryer for about 30-35 minutes to, melt her in. Now I accidentally cut the lace off camera because I didn't know I wasn't recording. So the rest of this portion of this video is just me styling the wig and making sure it's flat, secure, all the above.
And finally, here's the final look.
So I hope you enjoyed this video. This is how she turned out. The link for this wig will be down in the description. I think she was $111. But I got her for 40 something. I think like $47. And I'm paying on Afterpay because Afterpay makes life great. I got the 10-inch, and I love her. She's cute. She's real cute to me. Anyways, that was all for today's video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell to be notified whenever I post a new video. To become a creator today, I will see you next week with a brand new video. Bye.
Bloopers.
We act like we have some sense just a little bit. 13 by 13. I mean 13 by 4. Oh my god. Again, before I put her, oh my god, under the dryer. I don't know what that point was, but we're gonna keep it.